camp reported at 10:10 a.m. blowing snow, whiteout impact snow. Chains required. Traction tires allowed in place of chains on vehicles under 10,000 GVW in not towing. Vehicles towing must use chains. Santi at Pass Summit.
Alright, so I think I found my spot for tonight. Where I'm gonna camp. I'm parked right there. And then this is kind of a rest stop on the other side. That's where you get back on the highway to get to government camp. But I got stuck over there, but I decided to park right here. What I'm gonna do right before I go inside is I'm gonna just clear some snow underneath my tires right there, just in preparation for tomorrow morning when I wake up. It is beautiful out here though. It's quiet. And I was kind of sick of the rain in downtown Portland. That's where I've been hanging out. So I was like, I saw on the news there was a blizzard warning. I was like, there we go. So this is Beluga's first winter storm. Whiteout conditions. People have been asked to stay at home, so we're gonna stay at home, right? I also put the suspension on very high, just for tomorrow. Well, first thing first, I'm gonna put some dry socks on because my feet are completely soaked from getting too excited about snow and getting stuck. So tonight you're gonna witness my first attempt cooking inside my Tesla. So we're making a portobello, like Philly cheesesteak, something improvised along those lines. It's gonna be my first time cooking inside. I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, so this is my setup for tonight. Interesting. Very different from cooking outside. While we wait for my little ciabatta to toast out, there we go. I want to talk about something that I recently launched, which is called the Fanatic Group. These guys are the hardcore supporters of this channel. So for $4.99 per month, so just about a fully charged Tesla cost, I'm just joking, for just about a little bit less than a cup of coffee per month, you can support my adventures. For example, right now I am basically stuck inside my Tesla, living through a blizzard. I mean, they said to stay home, right? There's a lot of cool things that are gonna come up. So if you wanna get exclusive insight to some of my videos that do not get released to the public, only for my members, and that is something still crazy to say out loud, really. But I'm very humbled for the people who've watched my channel since day one, or even if this is the first video that we've met. Thanks for tuning in, I really appreciate it. But if you wanna support my adventures, all the money that I gather through that membership goes straight back into the videos. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get back to the paid programming, right? instead of using steak, I don't eat steak. I'm predominantly plant-based. We're gonna use oyster mushrooms right here. Dark soy sauce, salt, pepper, onion powder. This induction stove is powered by my EcoFlow Delta 2 battery pack, which is about 1 kilowatt hour. I think it's about max output 2500 watts. I'll put the exact details of the battery pack right here. I know you guys can hear it, but you can't smell it. It smells so good. Time for the cheese. So I'm using vanlife Colby Jack shreds. All nice and melted. This is it. That is for dinner. Philly cheesesteaks combo with my tomato soup. No chef here, but that's delicious. Time to get nice and cozy. Cabin mode is on. I'm gonna keep the cabin tonight at about 21 degrees. So cozy in here. I can't imagine traveling without an electric car now because Tesla has spoiled me. Just the simple conveniences that I have, like being able to be out here and stay really, really comfortable inside my car while there's a blizzard outside. Just with the autopilot, how well it does it in the snow, all that just is amazing, not gonna lie. And nothing against van lifers who drive gas cars, who have like a Mercedes like Sprinter van. Nothing against them. I just think that there's so much potential with electric cars that even on YouTube there's not that many people taking advantage of having an electric car when it comes to exploring and camping and like adventures just like that. So this mattress is technically a Model Y mattress, as it doesn't really fit a Model X in some regards. There's not really that many accessories. Sorry, excuse me. There's not that many accessories for the Model X. So I snatched this months ago. So this is how I usually sleep, just right here next to my kitchen. My girlfriend and I slept together in this when we were going camping together. She's very small, so it fits perfectly. But I think I might change this setup someday. So I also have this REI sleeping bag that I'm going to use to stay warm tonight. It's pretty cozy in here, but I'm going to just turn the climate control down just a little bit to save a little bit more battery. Keep this baby on nice and warm. And I'm excited to wake up tomorrow morning to see what the blizzard has left us. And we're going to see how we're going to get out of here. But I'll see you guys in the morning. And we're kind of in the midst of the blizzard, as I've been trying to sleep, but it's been really hard because the car is constantly shaking. And I want to show you guys this. Just let's see what the conditions are outside. Oh, shit. No. So it was actually really quiet night. I got woken up a couple times with plow trucks coming by, but as you can see, I'm pretty stuck. I think that, oh jeez, pretty deep. But so there you have the on-ramp. My car is right here. I think I'm gonna make this little spot right here and just go straight this way. I'm actually gonna clear all the snow first, just around the wheelbase as much as I can before I'm gonna precondition my car. Actually, I can do that right now. Let's do that right now. Oh, nice and cozy in here. Okay, take my gloves off. Okay, let's go hot. Okay, I think she all set. There we go. See? So that confirms it. We're stuck.
How deep you want to go? You think she can make that?
Yeah, that should be okay. I just gotta get this out here.
Here we go. Slowly, slowly, very slowly.
Reverse?
Go back, yes. There you go.
A little bit more.
Yep. Now go for it. Right on the throttle. Woo. Yeah, good. Keep doing it.
So this is the path that we took to get out of here, pretty much. Like that's where I parked last night, and that's where I got buried in with the plows. They just left me here hanging. That's James and Ty. Thank you so much for helping me out. Legends would have taken me twice as long. Made a little driveway for myself. And then the off ramp is over there. Hopefully it's not deep enough where I get stuck again.
A few moments later.
Yep.
All right, you're tight.
Yeah.
Go ahead and give him throttle while he pushes. Pulls. Hard throttle forward. Hard throttle forward. All right. Good, good, good. Stop. Hey, thank you, sir. Yes, sir. You stay safe.
Alright, so we got on hold, man. Alright. I think that concludes the video pretty much.
Get that car moving the next 3 seconds.
Yeah, gotcha.
Stay out there taking pictures.
I will, man. I guess I was too excited for the snow, and that kind of got me stuck. Thanks to James and Ty and that Department of Transportation guy helping me out and getting me unstuck, I learned that on the Model X that I was reading last night in the manual that if you ever had to get towed, right here, it's hidden. This is the tow ridge right here, and that also allows you if you ever need to get a jump start. That's where the cables are right here as well. This is awesome. Good to know. Thankfully, I was prepared, read the manual. And don't forget, guys, keep on bulldozing, and I'll see you guys back on the open road. And stay dry out there, man. Seriously.